underwater fisherwoman Laura has a lifelong love of the sea.
So you are my mermaid for the day?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
And practically spends more time underwater than on land.
And how long have you been fishing for?
I fished when I was a child. My life is in the water.
So you are a real life mermaid then?
Yes.
She has been hand diving these waters for mussels and sea urchins since she was 4 years old.
You like it?
I love it.
You love
I
it?
love my life.
The
Yes.
freedom. You can do whatever you want. And what do you do in the winter?
Winter, I go fishing.
In the winter as well? You're a crazy mermaid, that's what you are.
All this talk of fish is whetting my appetite.
I'm hungry.
I'm gonna make you breakfast when we arrive.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Saba, what kind of breakfast you gonna make?
Don't worry. I have a secret for you.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. We're starting with secret already. I love water, but since I was a little boy and I watched the movie Jaws, I got a fear that Jaws is gonna come around.
No, ma non ci sono queste acque sono sicure.
Sì.
Sì, sì. You can find some whales.
Whales? No,
Yeah.
sharks, yeah.
Some sharks.
So you can find the sharks here. So you've been lying to me. Huh? I say to you, there are sharks, you say no, and now you say you can find the shark.
They eat plankton.
What about if they change their diets and all of a sudden they want to eat Gino? I knew it.
But Laura hasn't brought me to see basking sharks.
So around the corner?
Dietro le sì, sì, sì.
We've come for the sea caves. Apparently, some of the most delicious fish treasures are hiding here.
So is this the secret you were telling me about, the cave?
It's under the cave.
It's underneath the cave.
I can't wait to find out what they are.
Any sea monsters?
No.
No, like the Loch Ness monster around here? No, all right.
Nessie may not live in these caves, but human remains have been found.
There you go. If you hear me say Mayday, Mayday, it means the sharks are in here.
Laura's a braver woman than me.
Goodbye. Good luck. Bye, bye. Bring me something interesting. Be careful. What could it be the secrets? Sea urchin, maybe? Look at her. She's a real mermaid. Look the way she swims. I'm gonna look for sharks. She's brave. I wouldn't do what she does. Me in a cave, prehistoric cave, underwater? I don't think so. I think she spotted something.
This is your breakfast.
Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. This is what this is called.
Red oysters.
A red oyster.
The red oyster Laura has found me is extremely rare.
So this is the secret of the area.
As they grow, a type of bright red sea sponge encrusts the oyster, and it's this that gives them their vibrant color.
Look at the red coming in. It's like having blood coming from the oyster.
But they are not the only surprise Laura has for me.
Wine and oysters. Is this the kind of breakfast that mermaids have?
Yes.
You live a very, very nice life, I have to say. Oh my God, this smells like a truffle. I think I just found the truffle of the sea. You live and learn. Wow. The salt from the sea is just incredible, you see?
Yes. Wow.
Ah, you know, very juicy, very tasty. It's much tastier than a normal oyster. It's like biting into the sea. All the flavor of the sea in one little shell.
Yes.
Oh, come on, this is a secret that 100% you didn't know about it. Salute.
Salute a te, Gino.